So BD is final year, one of the huge and the vast years where we study only dental subject and one of the most interesting years, isn't it? So this year we study around 8 subjects and choosing the right kind of books for final year subjects would be really helpful for you all. So today I'm going to give you the list of the books that even I studied during my final year and really helped me through. So for oral medicine, you should definitely read these 2 books. One is Burkitt, which we all know is the master book for oral medicine. There is a lot of good information and really standard and very recognized information. And also Gomes. Gomes is very good for exam preparation, for entrance preparation, as well as for your vivas. Then coming to your radiology section, you should go for White and Thorough or even Frenny Karjotkar is a really good supplementary book for the subject. Next is Public Health Dentistry. For Public Health Dentistry, you can go for Shobin Peter. And there is also a book written by Park, which is also very good. If you want to go for, refer to either of the texts, that is fine with Public Health Dentistry. Number 3, Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. You can go for Peterson or you can go for Nilima Malik. It is one of the good books which I have come across for that subject, and I'm sure it will help you all also. Number 4 is Orthodontics. You can go for either Balaji, which is a very good book for orthodontics, as well as you can go for Profit. Number 5 is Pedodontics. For Pedodontics, you can read from Shobha Tandon. You can also read from Nikhil Marwa. Both of the books are really good. Along with that, if you like international authors, you can go for the book written by McDonald's. Number 6 is Periodontology. We all know the Bible of Periodontology is Karenza, which is a huge book to study, but really good information guide. Apart from that, you can go for Shantipriya Reddy for your exam purpose, or if you want little bit of consolidated matter, you can definitely go for Shantipriya Reddy. Number 7 is Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics. There is only one book for both of the subjects, and that is Sturdivant for Conservative Dentistry and Grossman for Endodontics, because these 2 books are the only books I studied during my final year, and it is really good. Read these 2 books for your cons and endo, and it will really help you to gather very good knowledge and information and make your concepts clear. And the last subject with lot of practical work is your prosthodontics. For CD, you can go for Vouchers. For FPD, you can go for Schillingberg. For RPD, you can go for Matrakin. Or all these 3 you can get in combination in one book, that is your Nallaswamy. Yes, Nallaswamy is one of those books which is also my favorite. Along with this, referencing to this international authors is also a good option. So I hope this information was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.